Hey, welcome back to Weekly Tools. In today's video, we're diving into a problem many drivers overlook: low transmission fluid. It can lead to some serious, costly issues, but spotting the signs early can save you a lot of headaches and money. So, let's get into it. Transmission fluid, or ATF, is crucial for your car's transmission. It's more than just a fluid. It's the lubricant that keeps all those moving parts running smoothly, reduces friction, and helps manage the transmission's temperature. But when it's low, everything can go wrong. So, how do you know when your transmission fluid is running low? Well, keep an eye out for these key warning signs. 1. Shifting problems. First up, shifting problems. If your car is struggling to shift gears, or if it suddenly slips out of gear while you're driving, low fluid could be the culprit. Without enough transmission fluid, the gears can't mesh properly, and that leads to grinding, slipping, or even total gear failure. Now, imagine driving down the road and your car just jumps out of gear. Not a fun experience, right? 2. Unusual noises. Next, keep your ears open for strange sounds. If you hear whining or grinding noises coming from the transmission, it's likely due to low lubrication, which increases friction between the parts. These sounds can be a real red flag that things aren't running smoothly inside your transmission. 3. Overheating. Another symptom is overheating. Transmission fluid also helps cool down the system. Without enough fluid, the parts will rub together, creating heat. And too much heat can seriously damage your transmission. Overheating might be hard to notice immediately, but it's definitely something to watch out for. 4. Burning smell. A burning smell is another key sign. If you notice a strange, burnt odor, your transmission might be running too hot due to low fluid. That smell is not something you want to ignore. Of course, most modern cars have warning lights that can alert you. Some have a dedicated transmission light, while others will flash the engine light when fluid levels are low. 5. Warning lights. So, if you see that light come on, don't wait. Check your fluid as soon as possible. Now, before you panic, there are other factors that can cause transmission problems. But if you notice these symptoms, it's a good idea to check your fluid level before things get worse. Check your fluid regularly. And remember, if you're unsure how to check your transmission fluid, don't worry. You can always refer to your car's manual or use a repair guide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with anyone who could use a little car care knowledge. Thanks for watching Weekly Tools, and drive safe.